Like my new Dash air fryer? As of right now, I'm not. Just first impressions alone, yes, it's aesthetically adorable and cute and colorful. So far, I am not a fan of the plasticky smell I'm getting from it, but hey, that might go away after using it for a couple times. So, I've known about air fryers for a very long time. Ever since I worked at Sur La Table, it was something that came out, it was new, everyone is all about it. What is it? What's an air fryer? How does air deep fry food without oil? Let me tell you, friends, that this compact air fryer, most air fryers use a combination of convection. Think a microwave meets a toaster oven combined. And this is the product, this is their child, basically. There's so many different brands out there. You know, I've been skeptical about this whole air frying thing, but who knows? Maybe this will convince me. This was fairly affordable compared to the other air fryers around. I think I paid about $65 for this one. They could go up to almost $200. So I wanted to give it a go. If I fall in love with it, who knows? Maybe I will buy a new one. But for now, let's give it a go. Is buying an air fryer worth it? We will see. So I have, mind the dog, please. I have some chicken wings right here that Kira, I have some chicken wings here that I dried off, and we will try it out as the first recipe. I've been told chicken wings are amazing with an air fryer, so let's give it a go. So we're going to, and apparently the flats and the drums cook at a different temperature or a different rate. So, and plus since this is a compact fryer, only a few could fit in here. They didn't put in account that me and my fat ass will eat a bunch of wings, so, or my flats, as you can see there, I lined them up. We're gonna put these babies in here. How do I know if it's on? It's on, it's on. Okay, so it only turns on once you adjust the heat and put on the timer. And so for the wing, it says it's going to take 25 minutes. There is some air. As you can see here, there's a little exhaust here, so that's why I kind of have it on the edge. And this is producing some wind action. It kind of sounds like I have the aircon, like a fan on right now. I'm curious if the exterior is going to get hot, so probably gonna give that a touch later, but I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. So the timer went off. It smells like wings in the house. Now let's touch it. So it is warm to touch. It's not like burning hot, but when you touch the back, that's when it's like super hot, so don't touch that. Let's open her up, shall we? Do you guys see that? Whoa! Holy sh! These are super crispy! Granted, chicken wings have a lot of fat in them, so oil is not really needed to get them crisp, but still. Whoa, look at that! And careful, this thing is really hot, so. Do you guys, like, hello? It sounds crispy. Just gonna plop my wings in there. Whoa. And actually, I'm going to put in my drums in next. Without the hassle of a deep fryer, I'm really freaked out right now. Whoa. Look at that, guys. You see how crispy it got? You hear the crackling? Like that is French fries. So I got some rustic potatoes and I soaked them for like an hour in some water. Dried them as much as I can. And you need a little bit of oil for your fries, guys. So I put like a half a teaspoon of oil and I smudged that around. I got some good sticks right here. And so with French fries, you have to take it out and shake them apparently like this. So you cook them and you shake them. I don't know how much is too much, so we're just gonna put the whole thing in like that. And we're gonna get some French fries. Okay, so 10 minutes are up with our French fries. So let's take a peek. Okay, so sort of brown. And it said to shake them because we gotta get the heat evenly dispersed. So we're gonna just shake them like that. Pop them in again. 5 minutes. Let's see if our French fries are fried. Okay, not as even as we would want them to be. Okay. So what have you guys been up to? Because this has been my life for this entire day. I mean, so far this item is pretty cool. I am really curious on how to wash this. Apparently we could bake goods in this. There's like a cookie recipe and a molten lava cake recipe, which is freaking fantastic, and I'm really curious how that would come out. But we're not gonna do that today. Comment down below, let me know if you want to see me make dessert with an air fryer, because that's pretty weird in my opinion. And let me know what other appliances you want me to check out, because this so far I am impressed. You done? It's done. Third time's a charm, guys. Put that much. Okay, that's a little better. That's a little better. Good looking fries. The verdict on French fry making. Some of them crisped up. Some of them good. Very potatoey, crispy, fluffy. But some of them, there is like nothing on this one. I think since this is a compact fryer, it was my mistake. I should have put in half of the batch and just cooked that half. But overall, the fries that actually cooked very well, I think it did a great job. It's not greasy, it's crunchy, it's fluffy, it's hot. And yeah, well done, air fryer. You exceeded my expectations. I am thoroughly impressed by this thing, and I've been knocking on it for the very longest time. With the whole convection, air circulation cooking, I thought it was this whole gimmick. In a way it is. You can live without it. I mean, you have a stove top, you probably have a microwave, you have an oven, you could do all those fancy things, but if you have the spare change and you're curious and trying an air fryer, I, the Hungry Lioness, endorse the air fryer. And for being only $65, Dash did a very good job. Granted, there's some parts, Dash, if you're watching this, there's some parts that I feel wouldn't last me forever, if you catch my drift. You did a great job. You did a great job. I'm just saying there's some parts in this that I feel won't last forever. To try out the whole air fryer craze, this was a great, I will probably come back to it. I most likely will when I have people over. If you ever come over, friends, I will make wings and French fries for you, and maybe maybe I will make another video on how to make baked goods out of my air fryer. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video if you like cooking things with air. Or well, just me. I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Bye.